What sleeping position is best to stop grinding at night, and what's the worst? Hey, I'm Matt from sleepinglucid.com. The best sleeping position if you grind your teeth is on your back. It's best because you're not altering the natural curve of your body or contorting your body when you sleep like on your stomach or side. With your head and neck properly supported, the natural alignment of your body is not compromised. That means that the muscles and soft tissues are not stressed. This relaxed state prevents you from clenching and then grinding your teeth. However, if you're pregnant, have problems with sleep apnea, or snoring, then sleeping on your back isn't the best position for you. You want to keep in mind that you have to properly support your neck and your head when sleeping on your back. If your pillow is too high, it will elevate the head and draw the neck and chin down, and the normal curve of your neck is compromised. Your muscles will remain in a flexed position that may cause pain and stiffness upon waking. As your muscles are constantly stressed, eventually knots will form along the muscle fibers. If your pillow is too low, it exaggerates your normal neck curvature. Your head will draw back and down, your chin tucked, and your neck and head and shoulders will be straightened. By choosing a pillow height of 4 to 6 inches, you will support your head, neck, and shoulders very well. So, what's the best sleeping position for those that are pregnant or have sleep apnea and grind their teeth? If you're pregnant or have sleep apnea, you do not want to sleep on your back, whether you grind your teeth or not. In this position, the weight of your womb can press against your vena cava artery. This will disrupt blood flow to your baby, giving you nausea, making you dizzy, and making you have shortness of breath. During the second half of your pregnancy, it's best if you sleep on your left side. So what's the worst sleeping position when you grind your teeth? Your stomach. Though your stomach sleeping can alleviate snoring and incidences of sleep apnea, it flattens the natural curve of your back, causing you a lot of back pain. The stress on the natural curves of your body is tremendous. Sleeping on your stomach will also put a lot of undue pressure on your jaw and will twist your neck. With this pressure, you are much more likely to grind your teeth. You should relax your jaw before you sleep to help reduce tension and teeth grinding. Here's what you should do. Using a small, circular motions with your fingertip, gently massage your jaw muscles. Next, open your mouth as wide as you can without pain or discomfort. Hold this stretch for 10 seconds and then release and relax. You want to repeat this 10 times for best results. Always breathe deep and slow while stretching and relaxing, and never induce pain during stretching or relaxation techniques. Check out our full article on our website for more easy tips on how you can reduce or even stop teeth grinding. I'll put a link down in the description for easy reference. So have you ever wondered why people grind their teeth at night? The most common cause of teeth grinding is stress and anxiety. Teeth grinding can be caused by stress, and anxiety can occur at night or during the day. Over half of all teeth grinding cases are related to stress. Psychotropic drugs such as antipsychotics and antidepressants may cause teeth grinding as a side effect. Sleeping disorders cause a higher risk of teeth grinding as well. Stimulants such as excessive caffeine and street drugs such as MDMA will cause an adrenaline rush. Excessive amounts of adrenaline will make you grind your teeth or bite your tongue. Because these drugs act like a low-level anesthetic, you often don't realize the damage that you're causing. Malocclusion affects the joints that control the movements of the jaw, and this may cause your teeth to grind as well. An uneven bite destabilizes the closing of the jaw, bringing considerable stress. This is also common with those who suffer from jaw joint or TMJ issues. Well, that's it for now. Give us a thumbs up and like this video if it helped you. Also hit that subscribe button, as we have many more helpful videos coming out soon. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and sleep well. We'll see you in the next video.